Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about how to install expense management mobile app in D365 Finance and Operation. So let's get started. So before installing that, there are some prerequisites and requirement to install this app. So the requirements are your D365 Finance and Operation environment should be above 42 or 43 version. If you are installing this app on like a 40 version 40, then it will not work as it will not allow you to install that. Second is the data was set up for your finance environment is enabled. So to enable this, you can watch or you can follow this article to enable Dataverse on your finance and operation environment. Post which that it is mandatory for everyone is that you have user available and user is marked with your employee. So let me show you. Let me open this and I will show you this. So if you see my user is admin and if I open the user from system admin and go to users and users, you will see employee is marked. So the person should be marked and this person is nothing other than employee. And apart from this, you should mark your default legal entity. So you can mark it from here or you can go to user option and account, sorry, not account, preferences, and here you can mark your company. So once it is done, you can proceed with the next step. So you have to enable a code component for Canvas apps. So for that, you have to go to Power Platform Admin Center, select your environment, and in environment, once environment is open, you can click on setting. So under the setting, you will see product and product and features. So from there, you have to enable a feature available called Power Apps Component Framework for Canvas apps. So just you can press Control F from your keyboard. Now you can search. So if you search Power Apps, so this is the feature. It should be enabled. So once you enable this, you have to click on this Save button here. So once it is saved, you can go to next step. So next step is install expense management mobile app in Dataverse. So to install that, you have to go back on your environment and here on resources, you have to click on Dynamics 365 apps. Click on this. Click on install. Here you will find D365 expense management. Let me open another environment. Since it is installed on this environment, it will not show up here. You will see it is installed here. So let me go to different environment. Let's see this one. Maybe it is available. You will see Dynamics 365 expense management mobile app available. Just select this, click on next button and click on I agree and install. So once you click on install, let me click on install. So let me refresh this once. You will see this installing sign. Okay, now go back go back. Let me open my environment and go to resources and Dynamics 365 apps again, and you will see once it is installed, you will see like this, it is installed. So this is the installation part of expense management mobile app. So tomorrow I will show you from where to access this app and how to install this in your mobile for testing and for using day-to-day activity. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tada, bye bye, and see you in the next video. If you have any doubt or queries, please let me know in the comment. So that's it for today.